Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make queso tacos. We'll cover everything from selecting your ingredients to the final delicious bite. Get ready to create a truly satisfying meal that's perfect for any occasion. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring your queso tacos are absolutely perfect and packed with flavor. Let's get started on this tasty journey. First, let's talk ingredients. You'll need about 8 to 12 tortillas, either corn or flour, depending on your preference. For the cheese, a good melting variety like Oaxaca or Monterey Jack works best, about 1 cup shredded. Pick your protein, perhaps a half pound of seasoned ground beef or shredded chicken. Don't forget your favorite taco seasoning and a tablespoon of cooking oil. Now for the fun part, assembly and cooking. Heat a non-stick skillet over medium heat with a small amount of oil. Place about 1/4 cup of shredded cheese directly onto the hot skillet. Once it starts to melt, lay a tortilla over the cheese, pressing gently. Add your cooked protein to 1/2 of the tortilla, preparing it for folding. This creates that irresistible cheesy crust. Once the cheese is golden and crispy, fold the tortilla over the protein. Continue cooking for about 1 to 2 minutes on each side until both the tortilla and cheese are perfectly crispy and the filling is heated through. Remove your delicious queso taco from the skillet and let any excess oil drain. Serve immediately with your favorite toppings like salsa, guacamole, or a squeeze of lime. Enjoy your homemade queso tacos.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.